Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. I am a 34-year-old single mom and teacher, and I do cash budgeting to help me stay financially accountable. Today I'm going to be saving in my yearly savings binder. Alrighty guys, so I have $120 today to save in this binder. Last week I did not post a video on this. I did, however, cash stuff myself. I just didn't get around to recording it and editing it. All right, so our first challenge here is for car insurance. So we're gonna go ahead and actually, hold on. I think I actually want to start in the back today to make sure that I get some of these ones in the back. So we're going to start with our yearly subscriptions here. This one is by Bookish Mama Budgets. And so let's scratch this last one for January. That's 4. And let's also do this first one for February. All right, that's $6. Not bad. Because we kind of needed to get caught up. We were kind of behind on things. So it'll be good to get caught up. 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go ahead and put these back for 20. I just love this challenge. It's so cute. All right, next we have our medical savings. So we've been working on this little scratch off. All right, so let me roll and see where we're scratching. When I did it by myself, I scratched another Band-Aid. So 1, 2, and 3. Oh my goodness, that's a Band-Aid as well. All right, let's roll again and see if we can get something else. So we can really get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get this going here, because if anything happens, I need to have some money saved up. Unfortunately, I had to pay for Aria's dentist procedure out of pocket. I think it's weird that they make you pay up front and then they like send it into your insurance. It was like $300 some. And they said they would send it to insurance and then they would send me like a reimbursement check, but I feel like that's just weird. But maybe it's normal, I don't know. All right, so this heart is 15, so we have 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18 now with this challenge. All right, our next category here is for home maintenance. So let's roll and see how many cat paws we're saving. 1, okay. So each one of these is 5. And let's also scratch this as a little challenge here. All right, that's 6. So 11 total. All right, and now in this challenge, we have 21. So this will be good for when we get our house. Even I was thinking, of using this for like moving expenses, because we have, you know, our down payment savings, but I also feel like I'm going to need to save for, I don't know, if I want to hire movers. I don't think I want to move everything by myself. I have done that so many times, y'all. I have moved so many times in my life, and every time I move, I just do it all with basically myself, my friends. I've never really paid for professional movers before, but I think this might be the year. This move might be the one. All right, so we're saving 5 of these little eye exam things, and each one is 2, so that's $10. All right, and then let's also do this scratch off here. All right, that's 2. All right, so we have $18 in here for eye stuff, which is good because we don't have another eye appointment probably for another almost a year. All right, next up we have this challenge by Amanda. We have worked on, we owe $20 this for the last week of January. Let's see, 10, 15, 20. All right, so for this whole challenge here, we have 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. And that is what we are supposed to have, so that's great. And we can start February with 10, 5, 10. We have Rapunzel here. All right, next for our emergency savings, we are doing the 12 years of savings collab, 12 months of savings with hosted by Nori from Norelis Budgets. And we were working on this one by Bajan Girl Budgets for January. Let's see what else we need. We need 12, 14, 16, 18 to finish this. So let's go ahead and do that. 12, 18. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. All right, so we finished all of January. Now, with all of January savings, we saved 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. $77. That's awesome. I'm excited. Now, eventually, I'm not sure at what point, but eventually I will probably take the money out of the emergency savings folder and put it in the bank in my, I have a Wealthfront account, and I have a specific category for my emergency savings. All right, the February challenges are made by Oh Mama Budget. So let's start with these cherries. Let's just make each cherry $1, and we're gonna do 3 today. So 1, 2, and 3. So this one will save us 60. So that's a lot. So let's make this one easy, and we'll make this one $1 a piece as well. All right, so see, I do not have $300 saved here for the dentist. So it'll really help when we have stuff like that comes up. If we have this money already saved. I wish I had had $300 saved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, this challenge is by 4 Dizzy Birds, and we're saving $9 with this one today. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so with this one we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. All right, up next is our cell phone. Our yearly plan with Mint Mobile is about $300. Oh, that's 16. Gosh, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We only have 15. Okay, so I owe myself $1 for that. I don't have any extra dollars laying around here, unfortunately, so I'll put an IOU right there. So let's see how much we have though saved up. So we have 100, 200, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 239. All right, I'm gonna get a little IOU slip right here, and I'm just gonna say I owe $1 for that challenge. And then next time we will start on the car repairs. So let's put that little bow clip to say that we're starting with car repairs next time. All right, so that is it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.